This quick honest review is of the Fender Grip Hand and Finger Exerciser. Let me show you. This is an exerciser for your fingers and your hands from Fender, which certainly the musicians will know this brand. I think it was originally designed for musicians to help them warm up their fingers, strengthen their fingers for guitar playing and similar sort of musical instruments. But it's also can be used for people maybe with needing to do some physical therapy for their hands, or people needing to or wanting to strengthen their hands and their fingers for sports. The design itself is really well thought out. It just fits so well, just works so. It's just so well made, and you individual fingers, or you can do all at once. So you can work individual fingers if you want to, and obviously it works on both sides, both hands. They come in different. They call them weights, which is essentially just the amount of tension for each of the strength presses here. This one is the lowest one. It's basically the 5-pound one, but they do come in other ones as well. So this is the 5-pound, which I think they just call it a medium. Yep, there we go. This is the medium, and then they've got two ones as well. There's a red one and a black one that I saw online. I would say, depending on for your grip strength and stuff, maybe just start off with the medium, like I have. I can already feel I'm going to be like, all right, probably be able to move up to the next one reasonably soon. Price point, these run about $18 on Amazon. So these are certainly quite a bit more expensive than some of the other cheaper sort of products that are out there, which are just more plain and just not nearly the same sort of quality. So this is the quality product. As I said, you get a medium. There's also a hard one, which is I think a 7 pounds, and then extra hard is the 9-pound one. This one's white. The medium one is red, and then the extra hard one is black. They all round about the same sort of price on Amazon. $17.99, $18. I didn't find any subscribe and saves, but it's just a good quality product. I'm certainly going to give this a thumbs up. Definitely recommend this product if you're trying to do any finger strengthening or hand strengthening for whatever use, if it's rehab or as a musician or for sports. But highly recommend this product. And thanks for watching Quick Honest Reviews.